want to tell you guys that if you're shopping online, do not expect anything out of the products, because what you would think would turn out great would turn out the worst. Hi guys, I'm Priyal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys love watching haul videos on my channel, and Myntra had this crazy sale going on. So I thought, why not do a Myntra haul for you guys? And also I had heard from a lot of people that Myntra offers quite pricey stuff during the sale season as well. So I wanted to go there, check out the collection and see whether I could find some good things at affordable prices during the sale season or not. And I did find quite a few things which I cannot wait to show to you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I got is this one. This is a grey mini skirt which has kind of a wrap pattern here. And they have given a button of grey, black and white color and has this check pattern going on all over the skirt. Piche they have given this invisible chain which opens till here and then you can close it. So this is from a brand called Tokyo Talkies and it originally retails for a price of 1049, but during the sale I got it just for 311 rupees, and this is quite a steal deal. I mean, I just love this thing. I got it in the size 28 and it is a cotton blend fabric. Like, it's a very good fabric, you won't feel hot when you wear this. So I really like this one. So the second thing that I got was this black crop top from H&M, which has this turtleneck neckline going on, and the material of it is the ribbed material, which is very popular these days, and it is in the size small. So the original price of this was 399 and I got it just for 239. I am so happy because turtlenecks are something that are so useful, especially in the winter season, and getting it from H&M at such a price is really a steal deal. So I'm really happy with this. The third thing, since winters are approaching, is this off-white sweater, again from the brand Tokyo Talkies. I love the neckline that they have given. It's a high neck kind of a thing, and this detailing they have also given at the end of the sleeves. So this originally retails for a price of 1599, but during the sale season I got it just for 459. The one thing that I did not like about this sweater though is that it's a little bit see-through, as you can see when I do this, so you can see the tag from the inside. So this is something that I did not like. Apart from that, this is a good buy and it is in the size small. So you guys can totally check it out. Next thing that I got is this cream top, which is so pretty and absolutely one of my favorite purchases from the haul. So the fabric of this is that knitted kind of a fabric, and look at the sleeves, guys. It is so pretty. They have given this net sleeves with ruffle detailing at regular intervals and I absolutely love it. As you can see on the try on haul, it looks so beautiful. So I cannot wait to wear it. And it is from a brand called Dressberry, which retails for a price of 999 originally, but during the sale season I got it for 269, and this is in the size small, but it is quite loose on me, so I think I should have gone a size smaller. So in case you are planning to purchase this, do not forget to go a size smaller. The thing that I got is this beige A-line skirt, again from the brand Tokyo Talkies. I absolutely love the cloth belt that they have given here, on the ends of which there are 3 buttons which have wooden finish. It looks so classy and I love it. So the material of this is polyester, but it is a really great material. Like, you will not feel it is polyester at all. I got it in the size 28 and the original price of this is again 1049, but I got it just for a price of 330. And it looks extremely beautiful when you wear it. So I just love this one as well. Next thing that I got is this mustard yellow crop top from a brand called Sassafras. They have given this bell sleeves on the top, and at the end of the sleeves they have given this pleated detailing, which I absolutely love. And पीछे इन्होंने ये दिया हुआ है एक button so that it can give a closed neck kind of an effect. And the original price of this was 1399, and guess what guys, I just got it for a price of 251 rupees. I mean, what else can you get at 251 rupees? It's so pretty, and I got it in the size small. And before showing you the last piece, I would want to tell you guys that if you're shopping online, do not expect anything out of the products, because what you would think would turn out great would turn out the worst, and this has happened with me like thousands of times. And this time also. So the last piece that I got was this wrap crop top with puff sleeves going on from this brand called Casually. And when it came, the button which was supposed to be here in the center was already dangling, and when I started trying it on, the button fell off. और अभी ये जो last में जो button है, it is also gonna fall off very soon. The material is so pathetic, and if I don't know if you guys can see ये पीछे वाला stitch, it is gonna get torn so soon, and it looks so pathetic. I mean, out of all the things that I had purchased, I had thought that this was gonna be the best, but it turned out to be the worst piece. Anyways, so the price of this originally was 1299, and I got it for a price of 459. So I don't think that this piece is worth keeping, so I am gonna return it. I just kept it to show it to you guys. In case you guys are thinking of purchasing this, please don't go for it. That's about it for this video, guys. I really hope that you liked watching this video and found it helpful. In case you want to purchase any of the products that I have shown in this video, you can go ahead and check out the description box. सारे products के links वहाँ पे मैंने दिए हुए हैं. And do not forget to check out my previous haul videos as well. And now, as I always say, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye bye.